Poor memory, trouble thinking clearly, and a growing disinterest in anything unrelated to your phone. This phenomenon now has a name: brain rot. Sounds alarming, doesn't it? Let's break it down. You spend your whole day in front of a screen working intensely on a computer. The moment you clock out, instead of resting your mind, what do? You pick up your phone. You start scrolling through an endless feed of short videos and posts. Fast-paced, contextless, overly dramatic, and mentally effortless. They're designed to be addictive, and they succeed. Each tap brings a new burst of dopamine, a little reward that keeps you hooked. But over time, the consequences start to show. You begin to notice your concentration slipping. You struggle to recall where you left something just a moment ago. You feel mentally drained, uninspired, and incapable of processing slightly more complex information. Even worse, you may begin to feel constantly anxious, fatigued, or emotionally overwhelmed. And you can't quite explain why. This sounds familiar. You're not alone. And it's not just in your head. The term brain rot was chosen as the word of the year in 2024. It refers to the gradual decline of our brain, its ability to focus, reason, and create due to the excessive consumption of low-effort content, particularly on social media. Over the past decade, researchers have increasingly drawn connections between heavy screen use and cognitive decline. Alarmingly, some of these brain changes resemble those caused by harmful substances like alcohol or methamphetamines. Our brains are being rewired by overstimulation, constant novelty, and a lack of real mental challenge. At the same time, we can't ignore that screens are deeply integrated into modern life. They're essential for work, communication, and even learning. But that doesn't mean we should surrender to them completely. It's possible and necessary to set boundaries. Here are a few practical steps. Designate phone-free zones in your home, like the bedroom or dining table. Set specific hours during the day when you consciously avoid screens. Use app-based tools to track and limit your screen time. Reintroduce offline activities that challenge your brain. Reading, puzzles, hobbies, or even face-to-face conversations. Most importantly, reconnect with people around you and allow yourself to be present in the real world. Your phone isn't going anywhere. It will still be there when you come back, but your mental clarity, focus, and emotional balance are worth protecting. And they won't return unless you give your brain the space to breathe.